Are you an artist or an athlete? There is a special immigration stream for you named the Federal Self-Employed category under the Canadian immigration system. Hi, my name is Amit Verma from the Do It Yourself immigration team. Here at DIY Immigration, we empower, guide and coach you to take control of your immigration application and help you file it without getting scammed by agents and consultants. Through our self-help ebooks, articles, videos, you get to the point information on various immigration topics. We also offer video-based e-program to coach you in filing your own application, and we offer one-to-one consultation and doubt clearing sessions as well. You may get in touch with us via the contact information shared in the description. The Federal Self-Employed category is one of the lesser known categories of immigration, and due to this lack of awareness, many people are not able to apply under the category, despite meeting the eligibility and selection points. This category is only open to some selected occupations, and hence only very few people know about this category. And hence not many applications are filed under this. Just for fact, in 2016, only 267 applications were applied, and as you may see on the chart here, that over the years the application number is relatively low under this category. This category is part of the economic immigration category and is meant for foreign nationals who, upon arrival in Canada, are able to contribute to the development of the Canadian economy through their self-employment business or work, and have the relevant experience and skill along with the intention to remain self-employed in Canada. Some very important aspects to know. You must have existing and relevant experience as a self-employed person before you apply. You must also be self-employed in a specific NOCs, and hence it is not for everyone. You must intend to be self-employed in Canada as well and not looking to take up a job. You must demonstrate through your application your ability to be self-employed in Canada. This is an interesting point, as if you will not be able to start your own business, freelancing or self-employed in Canada, you will not be selected. Your experience must be of 2 years in the last 5 years preceding your application time. Now, another important thing to note is that there is mention of world-class level participation if you are an athlete or an artist. Though you must note this is an either or requirement and not a mandation. Many people think that they are not eligible because of this. People who come under artist is a long list, and it's not just restricted to comedians, musicians, theatre personnel. On your screen, you are now able to see the complete list. Athletes also includes coaches and referees. Eligibility and points required for the criteria is pretty simple and straight in this category. Here you may claim points for your spouse education, language, experience, etc. As per the rules, if you have more than 35 points, then you are eligible. But friends, let me tell you, for whatever category you apply, selection is not on minimum points. Now this is not how the Canadian immigration system works, right? There is eligibility and then there is selection. A very critical point is that if you are an employee, then this category is not for you and you are not eligible, even if you have more than 35 points. So friends, it is very often used by agents and scamsters to tell you that yes, you are eligible to apply, but they do not tell you that you have to be self-employed, not just employed. Another thing to understand is that the processing time for this category is 23 months currently, and this keeps varying. So it's just under 2 years. This is the time frame you have to be patient for to apply under this category. Now, to prove your self-employment, you must be able to furnish relevant documents like tax invoices, income tax returns, bank statements, invoices raised to third parties, and reference letters and more. Another way to supplement your application's proof is to attach your actual work samples, archives, online recordings, repositories and similar things. medals, certificates may also be helpful. If you are running a larger organization and employ people, then you have to establish that the main source of revenue is your talent work and not the business management skill that is getting revenues in the business. Now that's a very interesting point. Now coming to the term world class, it is also misleading in a sense that not everyone would be international celebrity or an Olympian or a World Cup winner. When it means is that you should have an international connect, participation in global organization or a global event, or at least have flown to some other country or a different state from your home state for this profession. Also, one other aspect is that the whole thing is going to revolve around you. It is your ability to demonstrate your profile which is very, very critical. One of the major coaching areas in DIY immigration's program is also around this personal branding and communication and how the application is portrayed in the application. This category is different from business immigration, friends, and the startup visa program. And you also get to know about them in other videos on our YouTube channel. In the description, you will also find other related links and how you could begin exploring this program. If you are considering applying yourself and not get scammed by agents, you should apply for a discovery call and chat about your case with us for 30 minutes. This is absolutely free and only for those who are looking to go the DIY way. It is not for people who are looking for consultants. Hope the information provided is helpful to you and you are now clearer about this category of immigration under the Canadian Immigration Program.